You coloring? What color is that?
Purple.
What are you drawing? You're drawing some Wawa? Oh, you're coloring in the star. Did Mama draw a star and you're coloring it in? Good job.
Purple.
Is it purple?
Oh, purple.
What other color can you find?
Purple.
Are they all purple? Can you find a green color? Where's green? Like your shirt. What color is your shirt?
Yellow.
Yellow. It's kind of green. Are you going to color your socks?
Oh, Wawa. Oh, what is it, Wawa? Oh.
You hold the color, Karen, really nice. Where's the A?